Good morning students. Now in this video we are going to discuss the same chapter, that is graphical representation of data, and that is chapter number 19. Okay, so here we are going to see what is a histogram. I have already told that histogram is a type of graph. Okay, so we can represent a graph in the name of a histogram also. So what is a histogram? So what is the difference? Okay, let's see. So here it is called, we have learned what we mean by a frequency distribution table and how to make a frequency distribution table from the given data. So the frequency distribution table is given in the chapter statistics. We have also learned how to draw a bar graph. Now we will tell you about another kind of graph which can be used to display a given data. This is called histogram. Histogram is very similar to a bar chart. However, unlike bar graph, the bars of a histogram are always vertical and there are no gaps between them. Also, the data must be grouped into class interval of equal width. Let's see in this example. This table shows how long an audience applause means clapped, lasted for 67 jokes told by a comedian. So the clapping time is given here. So duration of applause in seconds, 0 to less than 5. 0 to means 0 to 4, 0 less than 5 means 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 there are 6 times, and frequency is 6 times. 5 to 9 is 10 times, 10 to 14 is 17 times. So these are group intervals, okay, given here. Now how to represent with the help of a histogram? Let's see. So first of all, whatever data is given, that you represent in a table. Okay, so here the table is duration of applause in second, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 10, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, like this. And the frequency is given. So now make a histogram here. So in the x-axis, so right here, what is the labeling? X-axis we are taking time in seconds. So time in second represented by this, how much unit? 0 to 5, 1 plus 0, 5 to 10, 5. So we will see the maximum. Maximum is given here in second 30. So start from 0 to 30 you will make. Okay. So after 10 units means after 10 division. So 0 to 5 here represent 10 division, 0 to 5, then 5 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 class are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 6 groups are there. So 0 to 5, 6. Now the y-axis represent here frequency. So frequency minimum is 0 to start. Maximum is how much? Maximum is 12. So here it is 7. Maximum 17 is there. So it is. So after 5, if we take here 5 interval or 5 unit or 5 smaller division or 10 larger division, 10 smaller division means 1 unit. So 1 unit it is taking as here 5. So 5, then 10, 15, 20, like this. So within 20 our frequency is there, means maximum 17 is there. So keep it here maximum 20. Okay, it is in the rounded figure always, the unit 5, 10, 15, 20, like this. So here we are taking the y-axis as frequency. So in the frequency, first data see 0 to 5, 0 to 5, range is 0 to 5, write 0 here and 5 here. So this is one group here. How many times? 6 times. So 6 is coming here. After 5, the 6 part is here. Make a box here. Okay. So I will show you how to make it. Okay. First, with the help of a ruler, draw the x-axis. Okay. Then draw the y-axis. Okay. So we are taking here what? One group, 0 to 5, one group means 10 division, then 5 to 10, then 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, then 30. And y-axis represent what? Frequency of timing, that applause timing. So this is frequency how many times? 6 times. So here first unit taking 5, then 10, then this is 15, then this is 20. 20 is maximum because 17 is our data, that is given maximum. 0 to 5, 6, frequency is 6. So 6 is coming here. So mark 6 here and draw this data here. This is 6. This box is 6. Okay, now 5 to 10, how many times? 10. Frequency is 10, so 10 will be coming here. Make the box. There is no gap. Okay, remember it, in histogram there is no gap. So this is 6, this represent 10. Now in 10, up to 10 to 15, how many times? 10 to 15 frequency is 17 times. So this is 10 to 15, 17 is coming here. So mark this point 17, draw and join this line. This is 17. Okay, now 15 to 20, how many times? That is 14 times. 14 will come here. 14, this represent 14. Let's join this 14 line. This is your 14, this is 17. Then up 20 to 25, 8 times. 8 will come here. Join this, this is 8. Then 12, 12 will come here. Join this. Now the histogram completed. Okay, just write in x-axis what is there. This frequency, time in second. So time in, these represent time in second, and y-axis what? Frequency of duration of approach. Okay, this is duration of approach. Duration of approach, your frequency. This is the frequency. Okay, right here frequency. So see, like this you can make the histogram in your copy, in your graph copy. Now another important thing to be remember here, suppose you will not start with 0 here and give a sign like this, give a sign like this. This is called king sign. Okay, what is the spelling of king? K-I-N-K. K-I-N-K. Suppose I will not start from 0, I will start from here. So I will make to represent this as this curved line. Okay, this is called king sign, zigzag. This is called zigzag line. This zigzag line represents as king sign. This is optional. Suppose you will not draw the king sign also, it is correct. Okay, so practice in home whatever given in this exercise. See here in the first 19B exercise, the age is giving 25 to 30. There are how many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group. The same as what I have shown here. This first question also, first 2, 3, 4 questions are same as it is. So practice in home. Okay, thank you.